So at Iris Lovely, I just want to say that you know that short that I said that I have a crush on everybody. Yeah, that is my deepest secret. On grade 2, I have a crush on someone. Like, he likes me back too. His name is Vincent, yes. And on grade 3, he already likes someone else. And someone likes him. And I don't know if Vincent liked her back. And I was so jealous. So that's why I just built a new crush, Draco Malfoy. That is the replacement to him. So that's why. I can't believe I fall in love with a fictional character again. I mean, not again, actually, not again. Okay, I just fell in love with him. Oh, I have a crush on him. Oh my god. The first time I see him is in the shorts. Okay, that is my message.